Good day, everyone, especially to my instructor, Sir Dennis. So, today I'm going to present my creative movie analysis presentation. It is one of our asynchronous activity last week. So, um, based on the activity, there is a film that we need to choose. So, I choose the Suffragette 2015 by Sarah Gavron. So, first, let's come now to the plot summary of the film. So here, the summary of the film Suffragette tells about the life of Maud Watts, a young woman in early 90s who lived in London, becomes involved in the British women suffrage movement during that time. Maud Watts was a worker in a laundry factory. However, Maud Watts encountered lot of harsh conditions and unfair treatment among her manager or the owner of the laundry factory, which is Mr. Taylor. For one of it was working for long hours, giving a low pay or wages, and women got sexually harassed. So next, let's go now to it's a continuation of the plot summary of the story, the film. So, because of those things happened, she got realized that have courage fighting for the rights to vote, sacrificing her family, job, and freedom for all women and the future of their children. This led by Emmeline Pankhurst, the suffragettes used protest and civil disobedience to demand justice for all women's rights freedoms. Despite arrest and violence, their determination grows stronger and the movement gains attention after Emily Davidson got tragic death at the Epsom Derby. The film ends with women's voting rights beginning to be recognized, symbolizing victory after years of struggle. So, letter B, how were women depicted in the film? So, based on the film, women were brave, they have strong reputation, courage, and determined. Despite of those unfair treatment and discrimination, where male are the most dominant that time, then female being neglected and abused because of power of men's rights, especially on the law. Nevertheless, women they're still hopeful to be heard with against the justice of their rights for the equal treatment of all for all. What letter C, what was the turning point of redemption for women's empowerment? So the turning point of the story is when Emily Davidson came to the Epsom Derby. By stepping in front of the horse carrying King's color during the said event, that bad thing happened drew an attention to all people internationally, and it made public realize about the movement they're fighting for, which sparked the public sympathy to the suffragettes. It became a dedication and inspiration to all leading a change for women's rights and freedom, especially to vote when it comes to politics. So, letter D. Were the values morals of the movie still applicable in today's context? For me, yes. Yes, because the value morals of the movie in today's generation, especially in our society, like most of women still face discrimination, inequality, and men are still dominant. Men are still dominant. For instance, when it comes to job employment in the workplace or owning properties, like when it comes to houses, lots, money, everything, and also social biases. This film reminds us to fight for the right and freedom of everyone, especially fair treatment and respect, treating everyone as equal, no matter what gender he or she had. And letter E, what were the main challenges women faced in the film? So the main challenges where women faced are harassment, unfair treatment, when it comes to dealing with men, where women being neglected and men treated unfairly to women, the lack of right to vote during the time only men can vote in the politics, women's voice is not being heard. So letter E, the continuation, workplace exploitation. So this is also the thing that women faced in the film, the exploitation. For instance, they do work for long hours without having giving a enough salary or payment, no assurance, they're being discriminated by men, they are unsafe in the workplace as well. Gender discrimination, imprisonment, violence, woman is being discriminated and women get into jail and got beaten during the time when they are having a protest. Because of their movement during the protest, they also got violence from police where those policemen spitted to them. And letter F, how does the main character represent the gender issues? So Madwat's the main character represent the struggle, discrimination of women because of males' dominance facing inequality. But instead of disregarding those struggles, she found a courage to fight back through a movement as an activist. She proved that women need to be treated equally and fairly. The film symbolizes empowerment of women. Then letter H, what scene in the movie provided a strong sense of empowerment? So for me, the one scene of the movie which provided a strong sense of empowerment is when Emily Davidson stepped in front of King Horse in Epsom Derby, carrying the banner, and she sacrificed her life to bring attention to the struggle of women, especially to the right to vote. Letter G, was or were the impacts promoted in the movie? The movie promotes awareness for all people, international and locally, through social change. This this shows that everyone has the right to be heard, treated equally, and if you are struggling for an unequal treatment, you need to fight for your right as a form of justice. The movie leads to the sacrifices which women made for today's freedom and continuing to promote equality around the world. Letter I. What what were the situations of women in varied social institutions? In the film, women were marginalized in all areas of society. Workplace exploitation, where they had long hours of job, having unsafe conditions in the workplace, and unfair payment. When it comes to family, husbands had full control over wives and children. Men are most dominant, and when it comes to law, women had no legal rights or voice in government. and no opportunity to express their thoughts in the public. Then, when it comes to education, limited access and opportunities for learning, mostly male, are sent for academics. Politics, only men could vote or hold public office, especially to work as government officials. This institution reflected as a system built to keep women submissive, which the suffrage bravely fought for the social change. So that's all. Thank you for watching. By the way, I'm maybe Oida from BTBT Ed Apasam 3A.